Hello everyone, you are welcome once again to my channel. Today we are taking a question on sphere. The question is, the volume of a certain sphere is 4 times its surface area. Find the diameter of the sphere. Alright, so let's go through it together. Okay, so we have been given that the volume of the sphere is 4 times the surface area. So we can write that V is equal to 4 times the surface area, where A is the surface area. Alright, but we know that for a sphere, the volume is given by 4 over 3 pi r cube. And also, the surface area A is also given by 4 pi r squared, right? So here we can substitute the expression for the volume, then the expression for the surface area into our equation, and then we solve for the radius. So here we've been asked to find the diameter. Before you can get the diameter, we need to know the radius. Okay, so now let's substitute. So if you substitute, you are going to get 4 over 3 pi r cube is equal to 4 times the area, 4 pi r squared. Alright, so from here we can simplify the right hand side to get 4 over 3 pi r cube to be equal to 4 for 16, so 16 pi r squared. Alright, so from here too, we can also do cross multiplication so that this 3 will come and multiply here. If you do that, we get 4 pi r cube is equal to 3 times 16. 3 times 16 will give us 3, 6, 18, 3, 1, 3 plus 1, 4 pi r squared. Alright, so since we are looking for the radius, let's try to divide through by the coefficient, the smaller one, so that the coefficient value will reduce to help us to be able to solve it easily. So let's divide through by, let's say, 4 pi over 4 pi. So that this 4 pi will cancel this 4 pi, right? And then you get on the left hand side, r cube is equal to 4 cancel here, 12. So you have 12, and then pi will also cancel pi. You get 12r squared, right? Very good. So to solve this, what do? We have to send all the terms to one side. So I'm going to move the term on my right to the left. If I do that, I'm going to get r cube minus 12r squared equal to 0. Okay, we are not done. We are almost finishing. So I have r cube, I have r squared. So I can factor out the highest common factor between the two, which is what? R squared. So I factor out r squared. Then what will be left here? Only 1r minus 12 is equal to 0. Right? Very well. What does this one mean? What this one means is that r squared is equal to 0, or r minus 12 is also equal to 0. So meaning r is equal to 0, or r is equal to positive 12. Alright, but the radius of the sphere cannot be 0, right? So meaning our r is equal to positive 12. Very good. And here, since we were asked to find the diameter of the sphere, and here we've gotten the radius. So once you know the radius, then you can say the diameter is equal to 2 times the radius. So the diameter D is equal to 2 times 12. So our diameter is equal to 24 units. Thank you. We are done. See you another time.